St. Joseph Dental College and St. Joseph College of Nursing were established in the year 2002 by His Excellency late Bishop John Mulagada, the first Bishop of Eluru Diocese, with a vision to provide comprehensive dental and nursing education with great knowledge, skill and attitude. We are very fortunate to have great and dynamic leader, His Excellency Most Reverend Dr. Jairao Polimera, the Chairman of St. Joseph Dental College and St. Joseph College of Nursing, the present Bishop of Eluru Diocese. Under his leadership, the college has escalated to great heights. The present team of administration comprises of Reverend Father G. Moses, the Secretary and Correspondent of St. Joseph Dental College and Hospital, Reverend Father Felix, the Administrator of St. Joseph Dental College, and Reverend Father Jacob, the Correspondent of St. Joseph Nursing College. Along with the cooperation of teaching and non-teaching staff, these facilities are orderly functioning. This college offers BDS course that lasts for a duration of 5 years with 50 convener quota admissions and 50 management quota admissions, and also postgraduate MDS course with a total of 32 postgraduate seats in 8 professional specialities comprising of oral medicine and radiology, oral and maxillofacial surgery, conservative dentistry and endodontics, periodontics, pedodontics and preventive dentistry, prosthodontics, orthodontics and dentofacial orthopedics, and oral and maxillofacial pathology. We have fully functioning medical departments. Department of Anatomy. We reinforce knowledge on general human anatomy, histology of various body tissues and embryology. Practically, dissections of head and neck and study of histology slides are done here. Department of Physiology and Biochemistry. Students develop understanding on basic tissues of the body, cell and its functions, homeostatic mechanisms of the body. Practically, experiments on physiology including blood and urine examinations are done here. Department of Pathology and Microbiology. The department imprints knowledge on the morbid changes in the human body, which are the characteristic features of various human diseases. Practically, students study histopathological slides. Department of Pharmacology. This department inculcates knowledge on various drugs and their pharmacological actions on different physiological functions of the human body. Practically, students experiment preparation of different drug forms like tablets, syrups, and dentifrices. Department of General Medicine. Students are schooled to study signs and symptoms of various diseases, their diagnosis, and their medical management. Department of General Surgery. Here, diagnosis and surgical management of various diseases is done. The assessment and management of trauma and burns is also taken care. Now coming to the dental departments, Department of Oral Medicine and Radiology. Students expertise in the study of signs and symptoms of various oral diseases and their diagnosis. Radiology and various oral imaging techniques are focused, emphasizing on basics of radiology, its uses, hazards, and protection. Recent advancements include CBCT mission, Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. In this department, students develop proficiency in surgical management of oral and maxillofacial diseases, management of developmental defects and injuries of jaws and facial structures are also dealt here. Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics. Students become skillful in understanding the sequelae of dental caries, restoration of caries teeth to normal function, root canal treatments, rotary and surgical endodontics, and bleaching techniques. Recent advancements in this department include endomicroscope and soft tissue laser. Department of Periodontics. This department charters its knowledge on prevention and treatment of periodontal diseases. The knowledge on oral prophylaxis and periodontal surgeries is also given here. Recent advancements include advanced centrifugation unit, diode laser, LED and photodynamic therapy, and piezosurgical unit. Department of Pedodontics. Students develop competency to treat children below 14 years. Procedures such as restorations, extractions, cleaning, root canal treatment, and preventive orthodontics are done in children here. Recent advancements include Conscious Sedation Unit, Department of Prosthodontics. Students are refined in treatment planning and rehabilitation of missing teeth and their maintenance. They also gain proficiency in management of temporomandibular joint disorders and rehabilitation of lost or deformed craniofacial structures. Recent advancements include CAD/CAM laboratory, Department of Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics. Here, students analyze the teeth irregularities and maxillofacial skeletal deformities. Corrective management of the defects are executed. Recent advancements in the department include 3D printing machine and intraoral scanners. Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Pathology. Students master the anatomy, physiology, and histology of oro-maxillofacial region, tooth morphology and occlusion. Histopathological diagnosis of various oral and maxillofacial diseases are accomplished here. A preface on forensic odontology is bestowed. Department of Public Health Dentistry. This department oversees dental health campaigns in villages and schools with periodic dental health checkups. Maintenance of demographic data with respect to epidemic, endemic, and pandemic diseases is also dealt by this department. Spreading awareness about the uses of fluorides, hazards of tobacco, and advising and implementation of defluoridation technique in areas of fluorosis is done. Department of Implantology. This department offers advanced implantology course focusing on the study and use of dental implants to replace missing teeth. It includes lecture classes by experts and clinical practice on patients. We also have advanced research lab. The purpose of setting up the department was to help the postgraduate students with their dissertation work within the campus itself. The lab is fully furnished with required infrastructure. So far, we have synthesized silver nanoparticles and microbiological studies are going on. In order to perform better studies, we have a proposal to procure PCR which will further help us in molecular level studies. Central Library. The well-planned, wonderfully stocked and welcoming library at St. Joseph Dental College with its huge collection of books, journals, study materials, including e-books, e-journals of great repute make it perfect place for study and research. The hostels at St. Joseph Dental College are specifically prepared to give comfort and an atmosphere of study to the students. Convocation and college day celebrations are grand affairs marked by vibrant processions, inspiring speeches, and memorable cultural performances. At this institution, quality is always in the forefront in aspects of teaching, research, and patient care. The college secures top-tier ranking at university level, a testament of its exceptional teaching and outstanding student success. Our students and staff consistently secure top honors for paper and poster presentations at multiple state and national level competitions. St. Joseph Dental College students even dominate university level sports competitions, earning top recognition.
Eluru is nothing but, as Holy Father Pope Francis says, reach out to the peripheries with the same mind. My predecessor, late John Mulagada, has been so pastorally concerned towards the needy, the poor, the neglected, the abandoned, the hopeless and helpless of the society, to give them a quality education and life. That was the brainchild today's prestigious institution where we are right now, and I thank late Bishop John Mulagada. It's a legacy.
Welcome to St. Joseph Institutions.